Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by reducing the search area. Clear a roughly 1 meter radius and remove large obstacles so the surface becomes consistent. Once done, collect a strong magnet, a narrow strip of cardboard, tape, a flashlight, and a small container. These are your only tools. You use the flashlight low and grazing across surfaces to produce contrast. Meanwhile, the magnet and cardboard let you probe without spreading tiny fragments. Start at the most likely spot and sweep methodically. Now you create a mental grid, 10 to 20 centimeter squares, and work each cell in order so nothing is skipped. Use the magnet atop the thin cardboard to avoid scratching surfaces. Slowly slide it across, and when you feel a tug, lift the cardboard and let the magnet adhere. This prevents the needle from disappearing under debris. For fabric, press from the outside in to force the needle toward the surface, then press tape over the spot and peel slowly to capture it. When you locate a candidate, confirm it under bright light and secure it immediately in your small container. Tape the lid if needed and label the container to prevent accidental reuse. If the needle remains unfound, expand your search radius methodically, vary the magnet angle, and consider a handheld metal detector. Different sensors find differently. Should the search still fail, do not handle the area with bare hands. Isolate and mark the zone, and contact a professional cleanup service for safe recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.